Hello everyone and welcome to our video on the visa application process for Singapore. As an immigration consultancy business based in India, we understand how important it is for individuals to have a smooth and hassle-free visa application process. In this video, we will be providing you with a comprehensive guide on how to apply for a Singapore visa. Firstly, it's important to understand that Singapore has different types of visas that are available for individuals depending on their purpose of visit. Some of the most commonly applied for visas include the work visa, student visa, and tourist visa. To apply for a Singapore visa, the following steps need to be taken. Determine the type of visa you need, as mentioned earlier. You need to determine the type of visa you require based on your purpose of visit. You can visit the Singapore Immigration and Checkpoints Authority (ICA) website to find out more about the various types of visas available and which one is most suitable for you. Prepare the necessary documents. The documents required for the visa application process may vary depending on the type of visa you are applying for. However, some common documents include your passport, recent passport-sized photograph, completed visa application form, proof of financial stability, and any relevant supporting documents. Submit your application. Once you have gathered all the necessary documents, you can submit your application either online or in person. You can visit the ICA website to apply online, or submit your application in person at the ICA building or designated authorized visa agents. Pay the application fee. You will need to pay a non-refundable fee when submitting your visa application. The fee varies depending on the type of visa you are applying for and can be paid through various modes of payment including credit card or online banking. Wait for the processing time. The processing time for a Singapore visa application can vary depending on the type of visa and your nationality. It's important to plan your application process accordingly and ensure that you apply well in advance to avoid any delays in your travel plans. Collect your visa. Once your visa application has been approved, you can collect your visa either in person or through an authorized visa agent. In conclusion, applying for a Singapore visa can be a straightforward process as long as you are prepared and have all the necessary documents. At Elevance Consultancy, we provide expert guidance and support to ensure a smooth and hassle-free visa application process. If you require any assistance, please feel free to contact us at info@elevanceconsultancy.com. Thank you for watching.